Hello friends, this is Aditya and you're watching Electric Vehicles India. Friends, this is going to be an important video because in this video, I'm going to share you top 5 best EV shares which you can buy in 2023. Watch the video till the end because in the end, I'm going to introduce you a share which has a potential to grow as a multi-bagger by 2030, which is trading less than 50 rupees right now. So let's get started. Friends, as you all know, Indian EV industry is a huge industry and it has a potential to grow in upcoming years. Electric vehicles market size in 2021 was valued at $1.45 billion, where it has grown to $3.21 billion in 2022. And it is expected that EV industry is going to grow at $113.99 billion by 2029. Everyone started adopting electric vehicles in our India, and government also giving incentives to manufacturing companies and tax benefits to users. Along with this, majority of the Indian state governments set target that by 2030, 50% of the vehicles sold in the states should be electric. And if you want to take an opportunity to earn and grow in this EV industry, there are many ways in which stock market is one. You can invest and relax in best EV stocks now and you can expect a good amount of returns in upcoming years. But please do your own research before investing into the stocks which I am going to share with you now. Friends, the first stock which I am going to discuss in this video is Olectra Greentech. This Olectra Greentech is engaged in manufacturing of composite polymer insulators which will be used in transformers and substations. Along with this, they'll manufacture electric buses. Olectra designed various electric buses models called K6, K7, K9 which comes with customizable seating options and they are meant for long range operations. Olectra has many orders from various state governments and bus operators. Olectra operates more than 1,000 buses in India commercially. The best example for that is TSRTC e-Garuda electric buses. And recently, Olectra partnered with Reliance Group to develop green hydrogen buses in our India. So this Olectra Greentech has a good potential to grow in upcoming years. If we look at current market price of this Olectra Greentech stock is trading at 988 rupees. And if we look at the statistics of this Olectra Greentech stocks, in the last 5 years it grown 516%, and in past 3 years this stock grown 1323%. So one thing I have to share with you guys here, the stock market won't give you good returns overnight. You have to hold stocks for more than 5 to 10 years to get good returns. The market cap of this Olectra Greentech is 7,980 crore rupees, and if we look at financials, revenue is almost double in 2023 first quarter compared to 2022 last quarter, and the profit also doubled from 35.35 crores to 65.59 crores in 2023 first quarter. When it comes to shareholding pattern of the stock, 50% of the stocks belongs to promoters, 40% belongs to retailers and others, and 9% belongs to foreign institutions. So this stock is performing very well currently and it has a good potential to grow in upcoming years. And the second stock which I am going to discuss in this video is Minda. Minda Limited is a global supplier of automotive solutions and systems to OEMs. This company manufactures switching systems, automotive lighting systems, acoustic systems, seating systems and alloy wheels. It manufactures close to 30 categories of automotive components to Indian and international OEMs. It has 71 manufacturing plants in all over the world. And this company is going to play a key role in EV industry too. The current market price of this Minda is 556 rupees. And if you look at some of the statistics, in past 5 years, the stock grown 167%. And in past 3 years, it grown 286%. In past 1 year, it grown 15%. The market cap of this stock is 31,980 crores. If you look at financials, it has consistent growth in last 3 years when it comes to revenue and profit. And if you look at shareholding pattern, 70% of the stock belongs to promoters, 15.6% belongs to mutual funds, and 6.7% belong to retail investors. This company is going to play a key role in supplying interior materials and other elements related to electric cars. So it has a good potential to grow in future. The similar stock which is in same category is Minda Corporation. This Minda Corporation is involved in manufacturing and assembling of safety and security systems. It manufactures automotive components like electronic and mechanical security systems, keyless solutions, starter and alternator motors, telematics, wiring harness, instrument clusters, sensors, interior plastics and other electronic components. The current share price of this Minda Corporation is 288 rupees, and in past 5 years it grown 78%, in past 3 years it grown 304%, and in past 1 year it grown 36%. The market cap of this Minda Corporation is 6,688 crores. If you look at financials, it has a consistent revenue from past 3 quarters and it shown drastic profit in first quarter of 2023. If you look at shareholding pattern, 60% of the share is belong to promoters, 24% belong to retail investors, and 5% belongs to foreign institutions. The third stock is Tata Chemicals. Recently, Tata Chemicals has partnered with Gujarat government to set up a lithium ion manufacturing plant. The company signed a MOU with Gujarat government to set up a 20 gigawatt hour capacity lithium ion manufacturing plant for 13,000 crore rupees. The Tata Chemicals share started to grow after this news. Gujarat government set a target that by 2030, 50% of the vehicles sold should be electric. The current market price of this Tata Chemicals is 1,006 rupees. In past 5 years, it has grown 45%. In past 3 years, it grown 223%. And in past 1 year, it grown 24%. The market cap of this Tata Chemicals is 25,650 crores. If you look at financials, the revenue is stable from past 3 quarters and profit increased to 709 crores in first quarter of 2023. So the stock is performing very well in this 2023. If you look at shareholding pattern, promoters occupied 37.98%, retail investors got 27%, and foreign institutes occupied 14%. So as Tata Chemicals plays a key role in the development of EV industry and battery industry in our India, this stock has a good potential to grow by 2030. And the next stock which I am going to discuss in this video, the fourth stock, is Tata Motors. I think I don't need to especially elaborate or introduce you about this stock. As you all know, Tata Motors is involved in manufacturing of cars, trucks, buses and multi-utility vehicles. Tata has launched 3 electric car models in our India and they are super success, and soon they are going to introduce more premium electric cars in our India. The current market price of this Tata Motors is 587 rupees, and in past 5 years this stock grown 122%, and in past 3 years it grown 459%. In past 1 year itself it grown 41%. The market cap of the stock is 2,12,053 crores. If you look at financials, the revenue has increased in this quarter. Along with that, the profit also increased. If you look at shareholding pattern, 46% of the stock belongs to promoters, 21% belongs to retail and others, 15% belong to foreign institutions. I think Tata Motors has a potential to touch 2000 mark by end of this year. So the stock has a good potential to grow by 2030. If you hold this stock by 2030, you are going to get a good amount of returns. And the fifth stock I am going to share in this video is Tata Power. This Tata Power is engaged in electric power generation, transmission and distribution, electronic products and service business. Along with this, Tata Power recently entered into charging station business. They set up more than 800 charging stations in our India till now. The current market price of this Tata Power is 221 rupees, and in past 5 years it grown 207%, in past 3 years it grown 337%, and in past 1 year it grown 3.3%. The market cap of this Tata Power is 70,000 1,505 crores. And if you look at financials, it's shown a stable growth from past 1 year. But in 2023 first quarter, the revenue has decreased. Along with this, profit also decreased in this 2023 first quarter. If you look at shareholding pattern, 46% belongs to promoters, 29% belong to retail and other investors, 10% belongs to other domestic institutions. So by keeping Tata Power charging station network in mind, we can expect a good returns from this stock in upcoming days. So as I promised in the beginning, I am going to share you a stock now which has a good potential to grow by 2030, and that stock is Ratan India. As you all know, Ratan India recently took 100% share in Revolt Group. Revolt Group is a #1 electric bike company in India, and they are selling a good amount of bikes. The current market price of this Ratan India is 40 rupees. In past 5 years, this stock grown 1061%. In past 3 years, it grown 1177%. In past 1 year, it decreased -3%. But by 2023, I think we can expect a good amount of returns from this stock. Not only in electric bikes manufacturing, this Ratan India also has investments in various businesses in our India. These are the top 6 best stocks you can buy in 2023 to expect a good amount of returns by 2030. If you have any doubts or suggestions about this video, please let me know in the comment section. And if you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Electric Vehicles India. Go green, go electric.